Today's a short intro because I don't want you to click off. We are going to be making the coolest Rubik's Cube patterns ever. Level 100 is insane. Please subscribe because I need subscribers. Starting out with level 1, we have the classic checkerboard known by every cuber. Everyone loves this, it's really simple. To do it, just turn the middle layer of every side like I'm doing here. At level 20, we have a pattern called the 6 H's pattern, and this one's quite simple to make. All you do is you turn the middle layer twice, and then you turn the top layer twice, and then do that again, and that should give you 2 H's, one on either side of each other. Now just repeat this for all the sides that don't have the H's. This gives you a very nice pattern. It is simple, but the colors contrast each other very nicely, and I think it looks really good. Up next we have level 40, and for this we will be making a pattern called the cross and checkerboard pattern. To make this, you're going to start by making the classic checkerboard pattern as we saw in level 1. Now, after you've completed this, do this series of moves, specifically how I do it. And just a pro tip, make sure that you hold the side you want to be the checkerboard on top. And just like that, you've got the cross and checkerboard pattern. Quite simple, but I think it looks really good. At level 60, we have my second favorite pattern on this list, and of all time, only beaten by the one at level 100. This pattern is called the super flip. There is a long algorithm, but I'm going to teach you a simpler way. Turn the middle layer up, and then turn the top layer like this. And repeat this 3 more times, so in total you'll be doing it 4 times. Then turn the cube down like this and turn it to the right. And now just repeat that step with the middle layer and top layer. And finally move it 1 more time down and to the right, and repeat this 1 more time. And all the edges seem to have flipped in place, and that's why we call it the super flip. And I really love this pattern. I don't know why, but I just do. Next up we have level 80, which is the cube in a cube. And I'm going to put an algorithm on screen and you can follow it along, but if you don't understand what this algorithm means, just follow the moves I do. The cool thing about this pattern is it makes the pattern on both sides, so if you get bored of one color you can just flip it over to the other side. And level 100, a checkerboard in a cube, a top secret pattern. This is my favorite pattern on a 3x3. It's awesome. So, to do it for yourself, just follow what I'm doing, or you can read the algorithm at the top of the screen. What an amazing pattern. And the best part, it's on both sides. So if you want to just switch it around, you can. And as always, thanks so much for watching.